Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for 12 days of Christmas with Kathy, Tracy, Krista, Ronnie, and myself posting every day, Daisy and Shannon joining in when they can. All right, these are the products that I'm going to use to create this layout, and I've got out my Julep and Intensive Black ink from Close to My Heart, my number 9 stamp from the Holly Jolly Scrapbooking stamp set. It's stamp set and thin cuts. These are the papers that I selected, and I'll come back to it. And then this is my little pocket page with my recipe card that came from the Advent calendar. And then I have a chipboard mouse to the left. And then I have some stickers, also came with my Advent package for Advent calendar, but I got mine late, so I am not this year I am not following that process of using those products per the day. I am mixing all of it up. All right, I'm using my Martha Stewart fringe cut scissors, and I use the dotted line on top of the scissors to line up where to cut. Now I am fringing those up. This paper I think came from that strip there from Cartabella, along with that background polka dot paper. It's kind of a mint winter dreamy color, and I'm securing my mouse over my little pocket envelope, which is like a glassine. That means it has a gloss finish to it. I was auditioning these stickers to make sure that I wanted to use them, and then I realized, I can place them on white cardstock and fussy cut them out so that I can move them around and layer them up. So you're going to see me do that here. I only leave a small clip in. I don't want you watch me fussy cut each one of those circles out. While I'm ahead of myself, let me just remind you that I will have all the ladies' links listed below that are participating with Kathy on 12 Days of Christmas. I have their links to their channel so that you can go check out what they are creating. And some of them are participating in other collaborations where they're documenting 12 Days of Christmas, or doing the December daily like I am, or December documenting. That's where they do more just journaling. All right, that was a mouthful, and hopefully I made sense. I tend to, when I have a mouthful, to tell you that I get it all mixed up and everything. But anyway, let's just go on with my layout. All right, I'm going to layer up these circles here. Now I decided I'm going to move on to my title, and I have these gold, they're like a rose gold, but not quite. Or you can call it a dirty gold, maybe. Yeah, that's what it is, like the darker color of a gold. And I get out the puffy word sticker that says family. Then I'm using these reddish orange chipboard alpha from Pink Fresh Studio, and they have a gold foil across them, and I have tried so many times to use these. I think they are very cool and neat, but just trying to match it with the right hue of color that I'm working with has become a little bit difficult, but I am so happy that I was able to make it work on this page. So my title is going to be Family Recipe Traditions. And then I get out another puffy sticker from Pink Fresh Studio that says Christmas Days. And then on the bottom it says Spreading Christmas Cheer. And we do that by baking, right, ladies? Or gentlemen out there. There's a lot of people that like to cook during Christmas time, or cook their favorite family recipe or their own recipe. Or tradition. So anyway, I'm getting out the number 9 stamp. Like I said, it's from Close to My Heart, used for documenting December. And I first thought I would stamp it in the intensive black ink, and then I decided, nope, that julep will stand out. So you're going to see me wipe that away. So I'm going to stamp the number 9 right over there by the word family using the julep. And then I do come back and lightly ink my number 9 and have like a little shadow effect. So so I have that. Now you do have to let this dry for probably on this, on these glossy bags, you need to let that dry for probably about 2 or 3 minutes. It dries really quick, but you just got to be really careful not to smear that. All right, I decided that my number 9 wasn't quite standing out, so I got out my Tri-Blends and I used the Jaded Green, and it worked perfectly. Now I've got out my watercolor inks, and I'm using the gold from Rachel Beth. She has an Etsy shop, and if I remember, I'll put the link below, but if I didn't and you are interested in getting some of her watercolors, which they are awesome, they're a little bit on the expensive side, just a little, not a lot, but they're average for anybody that you're purchasing watercolor from that make their own. They are not manufactured at a plant. All right, I'm showing you the close-up of these splatters so that you can see how awesome they are. They're very creamy, and they also raise a little bit. They're awesome, and then the glitter ones even raise up more. All right, my layout is complete. I will have the close-ups coming up. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button to receive notification every time I post. Give us a thumbs up. And if you are looking for close to my heart products, I am a consultant and I will have that link listed below. All right, thanks for joining me every day. I appreciate you all and come back tomorrow. Bye.